it's Michelle. Thank you so much for joining today. Today I have an unboxing from the company Teddy Blake. I am so excited. I've been seeing these bags, of course, on the social media. Not something that you can find in my local mall. I believe they have a showroom in New York, and it's the self-proclaimed shopaholic. I love handbags, love jewelry, love accessories. Even better if I can get the look without spending thousands of dollars. So let's take a look. We open the box and here we have the Teddy Blake white box inside. So lately I have been doing videos about brands that are not luxury and in which you can still get an affordable, beautiful, stylish look. So we've got this nice magnetic bag, just like at Vuitton. Discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. Teddy Blake New York designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Now, if you have been watching my channel, how many times have I said that with Vuitton, you are paying for the brand name, and that's how it is for a lot of these luxury retailers. I also have a background in manufacturing, so I'm going to inspect the bag and tell you my opinion and what I think of it, and is it worth the money? The bag I ordered the Kim, the 9-inch Kim Stampatto. Has her own dust bag. Very cute. Let's take a look. Oh, and here she is. Oh my gosh, the size is perfect for me. As you can see, this Kim Stampatto, we know who she's inspired by, right? She's inspired by the Hermes Kelly. She's got these two little turn locks right here. So it looks like that flips open. And you've got the flap here. Let's take out the packaging. I have never owned this brand before. So it looks like there's one compartment. I wish she opened a little bit more, but it looks like there's a good amount of room in there. And there is an inside pocket. There is no pocket on the back. There was another bag that had the pocket on the back, but I like the styling of the Kim, so I wanted to go with this. I've seen people hold it without closing the clasp. I did think about that, as you do need to close not one, but two separate turn locks to close the bag. She has little feet at the bottom. The stickers are still on. Oh, okay, because I'm Asian, I'm gonna leave the stickers until they fall off themselves. Bags with feet are great to have because when you put the bag on the tabletop, it protects the leather. My first choice was actually the light blue, but they were out of stock. So I chose the cool gray. I am a water sign, so things that are reminiscent of water. Cool gray, blue, dark blue, black are my colors. And I chose the cool gray also because I can decorate this with a bandeau, maybe like a bright pink fuchsia bandeau. It would look really pretty against the gray. And I really like the light gold hardware as well. I think they did a really good job. The quality of the leather, it's pretty nice. That it appears to be a full grain leather. By that, I mean, if you take a look, you can see the veins, the texture of the leather. This looks similar to what is called Tarlon leather, which is used on the Vuitton Capucines. And Tarlon leather is a bull calf leather, also used in the Hermes handbags. And full grain leather itself is very expensive. It is the most expensive. It's more expensive than a smooth leather. I'm also going to give it the sniff test. Yes, that is, oh, I love, love, love the smell of new leather, like when you open up a new Gucci belt. Yeah, it definitely has the smell of leather, not PVC, not chemicals. It's like that new car smell. The tag is in Italian, so I don't know. You can just tell it says something about imperfections, so it probably is saying that natural leather contains imperfections, which means marks and things, because, you know, it's from a cowhide. So the cowhide skin is not always perfect like we are. So obviously she is inspired by the Kelly. She's a fake Kelly or faux Kelly, so let's just name her the Philly. Let's see what fits in my Philly. I might have to get used to this clasp, so we'll play with that. Let's see what fits. I'm actually excited. I think she's going to fit my large cosmetics case. This one is a Henry Bundell. I just bought it from Poshmark. It's a trio. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? So it looks like I can put my lipsticks and things in here, and oops, she fits perfectly. And then we have room for my wallet / my card holder. Just the essentials here. I like to carry small bags because as I carry bigger bags, I put more things in them. So I'm going to put my keys, my sunglasses right on top, and that seems to be a good snug fit of everything. Okay, a tiny bit troublesome that there are 2 turn lock clasps, but she fits everything that I need for my essentials perfectly with a little extra room, and it's not too heavy. Love that. I really don't like handbags that are too heavy. Oh, no, here we go. I was gonna say it's missing a crossbody strap. Personally, I love the look of top handle bags. And of course, something I learned from working at Vuitton, because it's a light colored leather, she is going to get a bandeau, like I just said, probably a bright pink bandeau would look beautiful with this cool gray color. And that protects the handle, protects the handle from any oils and dirt and sunscreen and anything that transfers from your hand. I highly suggest you wrap the handles. But I like to carry my top handle as top handle. I do not like to crossbody bags that are meant to be top handle. That is just me, but it looks like she does come with a crossbody strap. I like the way they did the strap. If you see, it has these notches instead of a buckle. Some bags have like a belt, like a buckle, and this has these notches. There we go, if we're going to wear it as crossbody. I would only do that if I were traveling and I needed to wear a crossbody. Otherwise, I see this bag as an occasion just to carry top handle. So let's remove those. Now, lastly, what I wanted to do in this video is compare this bag. So this is the Teddy Blake Kim Stampatto 9-inch. Her retail is about $449. The last handbag I bought at the mall is my Furla, and the Furla was $498 retail. So I thought I would just do a little comparison. I think I have yet to do my unboxing video. I recorded it, I just haven't edited yet. But this was my gift to myself when I hit 8,000 subscribers. I love the florals. This is the Furla Tony Ballerini, something like that. So in just comparing, I thought I would do a comparison because here you've got 2 separate top handle bags. Obviously would wear with different outfits. And if you've heard me before, I don't really like black handbags because if I'm wearing black, it just blends in. So I've got one with the print that I would probably wear with more solid color black outfits. Then you've got your cool gray, which actually could go with, well, either one could go with quite a lot of things. The grain on the Furla looks like it's printed. It looks like an emboss, which means they had printed the grain on it. Whereas the emboss on the Teddy Blake looks real. So the difference there is that this is, I can feel it too, that this is a heavier, thicker quality leather. Furla, you know, they pay for store space and advertising, so all of that accounts into the price of the product. The inside of the Teddy Blake, it looks like that the top flap is the same leather as the outside. And then inside it feels like microfiber. It's hard to see with this light in my eyes, but it feels like microfiber. Whereas the inside flap of the Furla is pink suede. I heard all their bags have a suede lining, and the inside of the bag itself is fabric. So the only thing about the top handle bags is that you have to weight them correctly so they don't topple over. They are a classic shape for any woman to have, and they are making a comeback. They are the bags of the season. So thank you so much to Teddy Blake. Update on the bag, you guys. First of all, it still has that beautiful leather smell, but as I have worn this bag, it's definitely a head turner. People look at the bag and then they ask me, what am I holding? Also, I've noticed as I've worn it, I've gotten little stains on it and they wipe right off. So absolutely, I recommend this bag. The only thing that's kind of bugging me a little bit is the closure of this. The little twist locks are very, very small. So sometimes I just cheat and I just leave the bag open, or I put the flaps here and I turn these. Otherwise, I have to completely stop first off, find the peg through the hole and then find the peg through the second hole, which can be a bit of a nuisance, especially if I just have to go into the bag and grab something. Other than that, I'm so pleased with the bag, and even just looking at the side gussets, just how well it's made. And I love the fact that the gold, it's more of a pale gold. It's not like a in-your-face gold. It's just a very pretty bag and very wearable with anything. So thank you again to Teddy Blake. If you're to this part of the video, guys, thanks so much for watching. My name is Michelle and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.